Imagine holding a handful of blueberries, their deep indigo skin gleaming with dew, and thinking of them as a simple, sweet snack. For many seniors, these tiny fruits represent more than flavor. They carry a potent combination of antioxidants, vitamins, and compounds that protect the heart, brain, and circulation. Yet even a food celebrated for its health benefits can become risky if approached without understanding. In the quiet of our routines, we often overlook how preparation, combination, and timing influence how our body responds to what we eat. Blueberries are a remarkable example of nature's precision, yet small missteps in consumption can transform them from allies to potential hazards. Blueberries contain anthocyanins and polyphenols, compounds that reduce oxidative stress, modulate inflammation, and support endothelial function, which is essential for healthy blood vessels. These molecules influence vascular flexibility and cerebral blood flow, helping maintain memory, focus, and cardiovascular health. When eaten mindfully, blueberries become a potent shield against age-related decline. But seniors must be aware that interactions with medications, improper portion sizes, or certain preparation methods can alter how these compounds behave in the body. The delicate balance of sugars and acids in blueberries also requires consideration. While natural, these sugars can impact blood glucose if consumed in excess or paired with other high-sugar foods, particularly for those managing diabetes or insulin sensitivity. Similarly, certain supplements or medications, such as anticoagulants, can interact with the bioactive compounds in blueberries, affecting clotting pathways in subtle but potentially serious ways. Even the timing of consumption relative to meals or other medications can influence absorption and efficacy, underscoring that nutrition is not merely about what we eat, but how and when we eat it. Seniors can also encounter hazards in preparation and sourcing. Washing improperly, storing at incorrect temperatures, or consuming moldy or pesticide-laden berries can compromise immune function or trigger inflammation. Additionally, combining blueberries with high acid or processed foods can diminish their beneficial properties and, in rare cases, exacerbate digestive or vascular issues. Ultimately, blueberries are more than a simple fruit. They are an active participant in physiology, interacting with every system they touch. When consumed with awareness and caution, they offer remarkable benefits, yet even small mistakes in handling, timing, or pairing can transform a natural ally into a source of risk, emphasizing the need for knowledge, mindfulness, and respect for the intricate dance between food and the aging body. Blueberries are a remarkable source of antioxidants and polyphenols, compounds that have a profound impact on cardiovascular, neurological, and overall systemic health, particularly for seniors. Among these compounds, anthocyanins are perhaps the most notable, giving blueberries their deep blue-purple hue while simultaneously providing protective effects at the cellular level. Anthocyanins help neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage DNA, proteins, and cell membranes, thereby reducing oxidative stress, a key driver of age-related decline and chronic diseases. By scavenging these free radicals, blueberries support the integrity of tissues throughout the body, from the delicate neurons in the brain to the vascular lining of arteries, contributing to cognitive sharpness and circulatory efficiency. Polyphenols in blueberries also play a significant role in modulating inflammation, which is critical for seniors, as chronic low-grade inflammation is associated with cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and joint issues. These compounds influence signaling pathways that regulate the production of inflammatory molecules, helping the body maintain a balanced immune response without overactivation that can damage tissues. The result is a gentle systemic support that reinforces the body's natural defenses, promoting resilience against age-related deterioration. Cardiovascular benefits are particularly notable, as blueberries improve endothelial function, the capacity of blood vessels to expand and contract efficiently. This improved vascular flexibility helps regulate blood pressure and supports proper blood flow to vital organs, including the brain, which in turn supports memory, focus, and overall neurological health. By enhancing circulation and reducing oxidative damage, blueberries act as a natural ally in maintaining heart and brain function as we age. In addition, these bioactive compounds influence lipid metabolism and insulin sensitivity, further supporting metabolic health. The cumulative effect of antioxidants and polyphenols create a protective environment within the body, making blueberries not just a flavorful snack, but a potent dietary tool for seniors seeking to maintain vitality, cognitive function, and cardiovascular resilience while promoting long-term well-being. While blueberries are celebrated for their antioxidants and polyphenols, their natural sugars and caloric content require careful consideration, especially for seniors managing blood glucose or metabolic health. Although the sugars in blueberries are naturally occurring, consuming them in excessive quantities or pairing them with other high-sugar foods can create spikes in blood sugar, potentially stressing the body's insulin response. For seniors, whose glucose regulation may already be less efficient due to age-related changes in pancreatic function or insulin sensitivity, these spikes can contribute to fatigue, inflammation, and long-term metabolic strain. By being mindful of portion size, the benefits of blueberries can be maximized without overloading the body's metabolic capacity. The timing of blueberry consumption also plays an important role. Eating blueberries on an empty stomach might allow for rapid absorption of sugars and antioxidants, providing a quick energy boost and enhanced bioavailability of polyphenols. Conversely, pairing them with protein, fiber, or healthy fats slows the absorption of sugars, creating a steadier energy release and reducing the potential for glycemic spikes. For seniors, integrating blueberries into balanced meals rather than consuming large quantities at once helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and enhances the effectiveness of the bioactive compounds. Additionally, portion control ensures that seniors receive the full antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits without inadvertently consuming excessive sugar or calories. Studies suggest that a moderate daily serving of blueberries, roughly half a cup to 1 cup, provides optimal amounts of anthocyanins, vitamins, and polyphenols while minimizing metabolic risk. Exceeding this amount frequently may overwhelm the body's natural regulatory mechanisms, particularly in individuals with pre-existing conditions like diabetes or insulin resistance. Understanding portion size and sugar content emphasizes the importance of thoughtful consumption. By respecting these factors, seniors can harness the full benefits of blueberries, supporting vascular health, cognitive function, and cellular resilience, while avoiding unintended metabolic consequences that could undermine overall health and well-being. The interaction between blueberries and certain medications is a critical consideration for seniors, as these tiny fruits can influence how the body responds to drugs, particularly those affecting blood clotting and vascular function. Blueberries are rich in bioactive compounds, including polyphenols and anthocyanins, which can enhance or modulate the activity of certain enzymes in the liver responsible for metabolizing medications. For seniors taking anticoagulants, such as warfarin or other blood-thinning medications, this interaction can subtly alter clotting pathways, potentially increasing the risk of bleeding or affecting therapeutic efficacy. Even small, consistent daily consumption of blueberries can have cumulative effects on these biochemical pathways, making awareness and careful monitoring essential. In addition to anticoagulants, blueberries can interact with other medications that rely on oxidative metabolism for clearance. The polyphenols in blueberries influence enzyme activity in ways that might either enhance or slow the metabolism of these drugs, potentially altering their effectiveness or side effect profile. This interaction demonstrates how a seemingly simple food can act as an active participant in pharmacology, underscoring the importance of integrating dietary choices with medical supervision, especially in older adults who often manage multiple medications. The timing of blueberry consumption relative to medication intake also matters. Consuming blueberries simultaneously with certain drugs can maximize interaction potential, whereas spacing intake may reduce the likelihood of significant biochemical interference. Seniors can work with healthcare providers to determine safe timing and portion sizes, ensuring that the protective compounds in blueberries do not inadvertently compromise medication safety. Understanding these interactions highlights a broader principle. Nutrition is deeply intertwined with pharmacology, and natural foods like blueberries are not inert. They actively engage with physiological and biochemical systems, amplifying benefits in some contexts while presenting risks in others.